After our machine is installed, let's test it. Including when washing clothes later, large and small clothes should be separated. Large clothes like this cannot be separated from small clothes like this. If they can be separated, separate them. Because the drying time of the two of them is different, but if it is a bunch of large pieces of clothes and only one small one, it is okay to be separated, right? But put together clothes of similar sizes like this one. What to test? How to measure height and support. How to dry it. Because if the clothes are big or small, it will be unstable. If you test it is not standard, it cannot be measured. Take these clothes of similar size to test. To test its roller. To test the stability of the machine. We just made the ground fixing. Take these clothes to test. Just install it halfway. Put half machine clothes. Let's put on half machine clothes. After loading, oil is added to test. To test the machine's ground stability. Then use equally sized clothes to test. If they are big or small, you won't be able to measure it correctly. Is this accurate? Don't put this in. This is okay, too. Not very big. Yes, this is okay. Get a few more. This can. These pants are okay too. This is okay, too. This can. This one can do it again, and a sweater can do it too. Take a look now, it's half basic, it's ready to test it here. Let's test two bases, one base and half base, one base and full load. This is half a year, you can see it. This half year is about 60% full, and 60% full test is once. After the test, test 1 is 80% full. Two basic tests, look at the effect of the ground. Watch it, who can do it, come. OK, press the main menu, press OK. Click this to automatically click the door lock. According to clothes you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Procedure 1, distillation after dark washing. What about program 2? After washing the light color, filter it. Then we use the second program to wash it. Click to set 2 first. When washing clothes here, use two main programs. One is number 1, the other is number 2. When using the second program to wash clothes, the oil tank of number 2. This oil is a number 2 oil tank with number 2 program. It is filtered while washing. Light-colored clothes that are not distilled. Light-colored clothes are filtered directly without distillation. Use the number 2 program. If it's dark clothes, use number 1. After washing the number 1 program, use number 1 oil. After washing the number 1 oil tank, this liquid is directly into the distillation tank for distillation. After distillation, the oil will return to 3 boxes. Come back inside. I understand. When using it in the future, you mainly use number 1 and number 2. Choose 1 in dark colors. Choose 2 in light colors. Just do it. 2 programs. What should we test for the first machine? Test whether our ground was done just now. Is this bolt fixed well? There is also a basic function of it. What about its drying, its cooling? Has its basic functions been measured? Test this first machine test, you see. The oil is not black now. Have you seen it? The oil is black. Okay. Wait and see our filtration system. You can filter the oil quickly. This machine has 2 systems that are very powerful. One is filtering and the other is evaporation. Light-colored clothes filter, No matter how dirty the oil is, it can be filtered out. No matter how dirty the oil is, it can be filtered out in just a few minutes. But after using it for a long time, it won't work anymore because the filter powder inside has aging. You need to change it. You understand? You see, it's clear now. Distillation for number 1, filter for number 2. Now the machine is fully automatic. It goes into its own work, and it doesn't have to worry about it. Is the circulation water turned on? The circulating water is turned on and people don't have to worry about it. It's done washing it and then stopping it. Because it is a fully automatic program. Stop after washing and don't care. I'll tell you this door. After this water dryer door has been used for a long time. It will be a little shaken. Will be a little shaking, will be a little loose. If you pull this way, pull hard. If you can pull it, it means that the door is loose here. Adjust the screw twice to the inside. Adjust the screw in. Adjust the screw up and down. How much will it be after adjusting? Adjust it to this way. After pressing it inside. After pressing up and down, pull it with your hands and cannot pull it, which means that the upper and lower screw lock has been tightened. If you pull this way, you can still pull it when it is high. It means there is no gap in the door. The door lock has not been adjusted properly. You understand? Adjust the door lock. This place will be closed in the future after our equipment is adjusted. The equipment is adjusted now, so it's not turned off. There are 2 screws on it to be screwed. After screwing, when the device is in use. No sound at all. Very stable, stable and quiet. No sound at all. We took out this dress. Take a box. This is the clothes we just washed. Take it out to teach everyone. Dry cleaning clothes are dry. It's done when you go in. It's wet after washing. The clothes I took out after washing were still dry. This bottom. Dry cleaning just can't be done. Dirty clothes go in. Clean clothes come out. Call it dry cleaning. Is it dry? Let's see how many clothes are placed. Look, these clothes are a little warm. Let's see how many clothes are placed. Looks because I'm bored inside. Got it? It's been a long time. If it's just washed clothes, it's tasteless to deal with. There are quite a few here. Look at a bottle of mine clothes. This dry cleaning is loaded into it. Come and install it and we will wash it. Install this machine again. What about us? I'll teach you how to wash and distillate. Distillate while drying. We just tried to dry and not distillate. There is also only distilled but not dried. We need to test this machine while drying and distilling. The system procedure to be used. Pick it up. Pick it up. Come and close the door. The door is closed. Some door lock. Click the door lock. At this time, we use program 1.1 to start it up. When using program 1, after washing, this box of oil will enter the detection box directly. At this time, you should pay attention. There is no oil in the detection box. If there is oil inside, it is full. This oil cannot be entered. I understand because it is full. There is a liquid level sensing inside. You need to look at the fuel tank behind. Right, you know, there is no oil in it, or there is a little bit of oil in it. If the oil inside is full, the oil cannot be entered. I understand. At this time, you can set the time a little shorter. Just wash it for 2 minutes. Yes, 3 minutes. No matter the temperature drops 65. 65. OK end OK close dry time 40 minutes change 40 OK close OK. This episode is about washing and distilling. After washing, when he takes off the drying, the oil will not enter a box. The oil will go directly into the distiller. Yes. Distillation and drying at the same time. There are two-way sequences. Dry and distillation at the same time. After that, the oil enters 3 boxes. This is a way to use this machine. You use these 3 programs well. Single wash, single distillation, distillation. After using it, this machine is ready to use. Good.